Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Scosche MagicMount Charge Pro magnetic wireless charging phone mounts. So the MagicMount Charge Pro comes in two versions. One is for the cars for the dash and vent mount and another one is for the home and office usage. So I'm going to make two separate videos to talk about each of them separately, and in this video we are going to talk about the MagicMount Charge Pro, the dash vent version for the automobiles. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let me tell you that the Scosche MagicMount Charge Pro for the automobiles also comes in two variants. The version we got here comes with Qi2.2 with 25 watt charging, and there's another version that comes with Qi2 with 15 watt charging. And now let's have a look on the retail box. So here's the name of the product. This is a magnetic phone mount, so it comes with MagSafe compatibility. It supports 25 watt wireless charging. Scosche is the #1 mount brand in Canada and USA. Once again, it comes with Qi2.2 with 25 watt charging, and this is MagSafe compatible and it mounts to the dash or vent of your car. Here we got the name of the devices which are compatible with this magnetic phone mount. So you can see iPhone 12 onwards, all of the devices that come with the MagSafe compatibility, they will work perfectly with our mount here. Samsung devices with MagSafe compatible case will work as well, and the Google Pixel 10 onwards with the Pixel Snap will work with this Scosche phone mount as well. And once again, it says that all of the devices with Qi2 and Qi2.2 are compatible with it. And here's a picture that shows that what are the stuff we got inside the retail box. There's a list of components as well, and here on the back it is showing that you can connect it with the dashboard of your car or with the vent. And once again, some of the specs that it comes with: Qi2.2, maximum 25 watt charging. It comes with two mounting options, dash and the vent. It comes with an integrated ball joint that allows you to move your smartphone at 360 degrees while using this mount. So let's open the box and let's see what are the stuff we got inside. So here is the mount with this USB Type-C cable attached to it, and here we got the adhesive strip that allows you to connect it with the dashboard of your car. Here is the mount for the vent, and here is a 36 watt Scosche car charger. Here is a quick start guide, and here is an additional adhesive strip, some alcohol wipes, and also a small cable management clip. So these are all of the stuff you will find inside the retail box of Scosche MagicMount Charge Pro for the dash vent version. The Magic Mount connected with this USB Type-C cable, the dash mount already attached to the phone mount, then a vent mount, an additional adhesive strip, 36 watt car charger, cleaning wipes, user guide, as well as a cable management clip. So the dash mount comes already connected with our phone mount. You can just twist it and take it out and then connect the vent mount with your Scosche MagicMount Pro. The mount comes with the powerful neodymium magnet. So you can connect to a smartphone, and as you can see, it is not falling out of the mount. And as you can see, I need to apply a bit of force to remove the phone from the mount. And this ball head can move at different angles, so you can change the angle here, as you can see. So depending on your preference, left, right, up, down, you can change it, and you can even change the orientation of your smartphone because the magnet is really strong, as you can see here. So if you got a Pixel smartphone, it will work perfectly, as you can see here. Or if you got a Samsung phone with a MagSafe case, then once again it will work perfectly, as you can see. And of course it's going to work with all of the iPhones from iPhone 12 onwards. So here you can see that it is showing fast wireless charging. So it is charging my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on fast wireless charging, and it is working perfectly with Google Pixel 10 Pro XL here as well. So if you want a fast MagSafe wireless charger for your car, then the Scosche MagicMount Charge Pro dash vent version is one of the best options for you, as it comes with 25 watt Qi2.2 fast charging, options for both dashboard and vent, and you also get a fast 36-watt charger along with it. So if you're planning to buy it, I have shared the link in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.